Good morning. Today is Friday, October 19th. We are in Blythewood, South Carolina in the Summer Pines subdivision. Let me show you what we got going on. So we have about 550 square feet of luxury vinyl plank, a lot of construction dust, plaster, a lot of stuff on the floor. It looks like it's been a construction zone. We're going to be cleaning and sealing with AquaPro. 550 square feet, and then the tile and grout we are going to clean and extract. A little bit of color correction. Look at the difference. All right, so this is the floor after one coat. It is looking unbelievably good. Tile grout turned out nice.
Still wet. Right there. Still wet right there.
Let's look in here. Let me look in there. All right, looks like we're gonna be waiting a minute to put on the second coat. It's looking great.